Welcome to a fascinating journey into the world of Russian trucks. These vehicles are not just heavy machines, they are true giants designed to withstand the most extreme conditions, from the frozen Siberian tundras to the rockiest terrains. If you've ever heard of Russian trucks, you know that their engineering is paired with impressive durability, making each one a true mechanical gem. Today we're going to discover how these trucks have conquered not only Russia's industrial and military history, but also the global stage, the titans of Russian transport, Kamaz and Ural. When we talk about Russian trucks, two names stand out above the rest. These giants are known worldwide for their power, durability, and reliability. If you've ever seen a Russian truck in action, it was probably one of these brands. However, the world of Russian trucks has much more to offer. From the versatility of GAZ to the incredible load capacity of Velas, each brand has its own distinctive mark, making these trucks true mechanical marvels. GAZ, the pioneer of Russian automotive engineering. We begin our tour with GAZ, an automotive plant. Gorky, a historic factory that since 1932 has been the heart of Russian automotive manufacturing. GAZ began manufacturing vehicles for everyday use, but soon excelled in the creation of trucks and military vehicles. The GAZ 66, known as the Shishiga, is one of the brand's most iconic trucks. Introduced in 1964, this 4x4 earned a reputation as a tough off-roader, capable of crossing the most difficult terrains with ease. For more than 30 years, the GAZ 66 was a mainstay in the Soviet Army, used both in military missions and rescue operations. What is it doing today? It continues to showcase its innovative capabilities with models like the Gazelle Next, a light and versatile truck that has conquered the Russian commercial market and beyond. Its ability to adapt to the needs of modern transportation makes it a popular choice in many parts of the world. MAZ, giants of heavy hauling. Now we're traveling to Belarus, where MAZ is located, a brand known for its heavy-duty trucks. The MAZ 537 series is one of the crown jewels of this brand. This truck was designed to transport heavy military equipment, including ballistic missiles, and with its powerful engine and massive tires, it's capable of crossing the most challenging terrains. The durability and reliability of the MAZ 537 made it one of the most dependable trucks for the Soviet Army during the Cold War. Today, MAZ continues to produce heavy trucks like the MAZ 5440, a semi-trailer used for transporting heavy goods. These vehicles remain essential to the infrastructure of Russia and other Eastern European countries, being a popular choice for their toughness and load capacity. UAC, off-road dominance. If you've ever wondered what truck you could take to the most remote corners of Siberia, the answer is clear: UAC. Known for their simplicity and toughness, UAC vehicles are legendary for their ability to handle the harshest terrains. The UAC 452, nicknamed Bukhanka or Loaf of Bread, is a model that has been in production since the 1960s and remains one of the toughest vehicles in the world. Its simple design and ability to withstand the most extreme conditions have made it a favorite both for military forces and for those who need rugged vehicles in challenging terrain. Over the years, UAC has maintained its focus on reliability and durability, and its vehicles continue to be popular in rural and hard-to-reach areas of Russia. Additionally, the brand has made inroads into markets outside of Russia, being highly valued in countries like Afghanistan and some African nations. BelAZ, moving mountains. Now we're entering the territory of true giants. BelAZ, a brand specializing in colossal mining trucks, is famous for building some of the largest trucks in the world. The Bell AZ 75710, the largest truck ever built, can carry up to 450 tons of material, which is equivalent to the weight of a fully loaded Airbus A380. These trucks are mainly used in mining, where their ability to haul enormous loads allows them to move impressive amounts of material in a single operation. The Bell AZ 75710 is an engineering marvel with gigantic dimensions and power that defies all imagination. The global mining industry relies on these giants to move heavy materials across tough terrain, and Bell AZ continues to innovate with models that are increasingly powerful and efficient. Future of Russian trucks. The world of trucks is changing. Currently, Russian truck manufacturers are investing heavily in research and development to create vehicles that are more efficient and environmentally friendly. Brands like como.yt are exploring alternative fuel options, such as natural gas and electricity, while others are developing autonomous driving systems to improve transportation efficiency. Despite their legacy of toughness, Russian trucks are not lagging behind when it comes to adapting to modern technologies. The future of Russian trucks promises a combination of durability and sustainability, maintaining the strength and resilience they are known for, while integrating modern and eco-friendly solutions for a more efficient future. Strength of Russian trucks. What is it that makes Russian trucks so fascinating? It's their incredible strength. These vehicles are not only built to last, but to take on the toughest challenges on the planet. They are living proof of Russian engineering designed to overcome obstacles and keep running no matter what. Durability, simplicity, and reliability are the qualities that define these trucks, making them essential machines in a world where technology sometimes becomes obsolete quickly. Russian trucks on the global stage. Although Russian trucks were historically known only in the former Soviet Union, today their presence has expanded worldwide. The Gazelle is now a popular truck in South America, while the UAZ has explored the most remote areas of Australia. Bell AZ has firmly established itself in the global mining market, where its massive haul trucks are used in the largest mines in the world. In many of these emerging markets, Russian trucks are being seen as a reliable and cost-effective alternative to Western models. This is because, in addition to their durability, they offer competitive prices, making them attractive to companies and regions looking for a robust yet affordable option for heavy transport and mining. Challenges and resilience. Russian manufacturers face fierce competition in the global market, and they must deal with challenges such as economic sanctions and fluctuations in the prices of raw materials. However, what sets Russian trucks apart is their resilience. Despite these obstacles, Russian brands continue to innovate and adapt to overcome challenges and remain a reliable and affordable transportation option. International expansion and emerging markets. Over the past decades, Russian trucks have found their place in emerging markets such as South America, Africa, and Asia. Brands like GAZ, UAZ, and MAZ have grown in these regions thanks to the capabilities of their vehicles to withstand extreme conditions and their low cost compared to Western brand models, improvements in durability and reliability. Russian manufacturers have continued to improve the durability and reliability of their trucks, investing in high-strength materials and advanced technology to ensure these vehicles keep running perfectly, even in the most demanding environments. To wrap up, let's raise a glass to the resilience and indomitable spirit of Russian trucks. These machines are not just a feat of engineering, they are a symbol of Russian character, of the ability to overcome adversity, and of unmatched determination. Long live these giants of the road.